What is the best way to improve your vocabulary?
Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. Do you want to improve your vocabulary but you don't know where to start? Don't worry. Today, we will go over some easy and effective ways to expand your English vocabulary. Let's get started. The first steps to improve English vocabulary is to read every day. This is the best way to learn new words is by reading books, newspaper, and online articles. Expose you to new vocabulary. Choose topics that make you interested in learning to make more fun or can't make you bored. If you encountered a word that is new for you or you don't know it, write it down and look it up. The second step is use a vocabulary notebook where you can write down here the new words along with their definition and example sentences. Reviewing them regularly will help you remember them better. And also, try to writing your own sentences using the new words. So the third step is to learn a word a day. Make it a habit to learn at least one word each day. You can use a word of the day app or just pick a random word from a dictionary. The more words you learn, the more easier it will be to express yourself in English. So the fourth step is to use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to memorize a new words. Write the words on one side and its meaning on the other side. You can make physical flashcard or use apps like Anki or Quizlet. Try to quiz yourself or every day to test if your vocabulary is improved or not. The fifth step is to practice speaking and writing. This is the best way to remember new words is to use them. Try using new vocabulary in daily conversation or writing exercises. You can even keep a journal where you write a short paragraph using the words you have learned. So let's do a short recap. What are the 5 steps in improving your English vocabulary? So the first one is read every day to discover new words. Next, keep a vocabulary notebook. The third, learn a new word daily. Fourth is use flashcard or memorize words. Then the last one is the practice speaking and writing with your new vocabulary. That's it for today's lesson. Try using these steps to grow your vocabulary and improve your English skills. And if you found this lesson helpful, give it a like and share to your friends.